Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000, and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnishers. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machines running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so if you have a broken or damaged brush pressure knob and you need to replace it, very easy. So there's a set screw right here in the knob. What you want to do is take a 3/32 Allen wrench and go ahead and loosen this set screw. Just like that, shouldn't be too bad. And then you can pull the knob right off, just like that. So take your new knob, make sure the set screw is set in there, and make sure that it is not down all the way on the inside so you can slide it back over here on the shaft. Set the set screw on the flat side of the shaft. Now hold the knob in place. And tighten the set screw back down. And now just make sure that your knob does not come off. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.